Hello everyone! Welcome to your favorite channel, Lakshita and the Caterpillar. Now where's Caterpillar?
I'm here, but I don't see Lakshita. Where is she?
Here I am! Don't be silly!
Oh, you're behind that mask. That's really, she looks like ELSA.
Yes.
It's scary. I see her eyes. They're like holes.
Oh,
It's
that's
scary.
how I can
She
see.
looks like a witch.
That's how I can see.
That's
Now
right.
does it
Oh,
look
you
like
have a bag also. A frozen bag. I see ELSA down there.
Yep, and the water spirit, as you know.
Oh, that's really nice.
So today we're gonna unbox this Barbie jewelry making kit.
That's really, really interesting. So
Of
where did you
course.
get it from?
I got a gift.
Oh, nice gift you get. Nobody gives me gifts.
Don't worry. Who gave you that unicorn necklace?
Oh yeah, that was you. Thank you very much. I still have it. See everyone, I still wear it.
They cannot see like that.
Yeah, they can see. Hey guys, can't you see here? See my necklace? Yeah? They can see, okay?
They can just see those beads.
Do your
nothing
work,
else.
okay? Don't shush.
Okay. So this is how it looks like.
Mm-hmm.
So I'm so excited to open it. So let's open it.
Yeah, please. So do you have the scissors?
Yes.
Oh, be very careful, okay?
Oh, it's just a junior scissors.
Mm-hmm.
And I think a little bit part is broken if I just
Be
snip
very
it.
careful, okay?
There's no need to. I'm gonna need the scissors.
Be very careful, okay?
I will.
Are you alright?
Yeah, there's no need to.
Oh, it came out. Yeah, that's nice.
Whoa.
Oh, don't make a mess, okay?
Yep. I won't.
I know you can be a bit messy, but don't make a mess
Whoa,
out of it.
look. So it's like
Oh,
this.
that's looking really
And look at this
shiny.
beautiful girl.
So,
if you see it, you can.
mm-hmm.
And there's also Barbie over here with her friend. So let's open it. I don't know how it looks like. I am so excited. I don't know.
Oh, yes, me too.
Whoa!
Wow!
It's just been,
So many things.
yeah, it's been a little here and there.
Can you show it to me? I can't see it from down here. Oh my goodness, there's so many small pieces out there. Oh no, this is really nice. Oh, yeah, a lot of pieces out there.
So I'm not sure.
So will you make what? A necklace or a jewelry set or a bracelet? What do you
Whoa.
make out of it? Uh-oh.
So this is the instructions. Well, look, super duper messy inside. Yeah, because it was, moving
Okay.
much. I'm not sure I'm gonna make it or no. Whoa, it also comes with a string. Wow.
That's for the necklace, I think so.
Oh, necklace and bracelets or earrings and. Whoa.
Oh, don't make a mess, okay?
Of course, I might make a mess. I'll try not to. Okay, I think I know how to cut it. Yeah, I made it. What? More cutting? This is gonna take a lot of cutting and then don't know.
It's out. It's open. It's open.
Whoa, look at this.
Oh,
It's almost like a diamond.
Yes, I can see that. Show
Whoa.
me the other pieces, please.
Wow, look at this.
What is that for? I think a necklace, right?
I don't know. And look at this beautiful pink flower.
Can you show the instruction leaflet? It might have something.
Of course. Why not? I would love to show the instructions, but I don't know how really it should be made.
Okay. So there must be some steps, right?
Yep, step 1, measure plastic wire around your neck and add another 7/8 quarters CMS. Do you know the meaning of CMS?
I don't know. You should know it.
Wire centimeters.
Ah, centimeters. Yes.
Wire to allow for tying knots. I do not understand.
That's okay. We will read the instruction and we'll come back. Yes?
Yes.
Okay, we'll do part 2 then. Is it all right?
Tie one end of the wire to the ring of the clasp.
Hey, you have to read it carefully, okay? You cannot do like this. So we'll have to do another part for this.
Okay, I want to make the earrings.
Yeah, you make the earring later, but read the instruction first, okay? Come on, I'm going. Bye. See you guys.
Bye.